Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, it has been a bloody holiday season on the roads, with 9 people dying in motor vehicle crashes between Friday and Tuesday morning. Police data showed that there have been 475 road fatalities so far this year. As we hear in this report, the National Road Safety Council is again urging motorists to obey the road codes. Scenes across the island since Friday morning.
From Friday until this morning, 9 persons died on our roads, including 3 yesterday, 1 of which died early this morning, and 2 on Christmas Day.
Data from the police Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch showed 35 people have died in motor vehicle crashes so far in December.
And a total of 475 for the year. This is very disappointing.
While this is a 1% reduction in the number of road fatalities when compared to the corresponding period last year, the National Road Safety Council said more needs to be done to ensure safety on the streets.
We need to pull out all the stops between now and the end of the year so that we don't have a repeat of what happened last year when 487 persons died. But that's not our goal. Our goal is to prevent anybody dying on our roads every day, including the New Year. We have to be just as vigilant, especially for the first 3 months of the year.
Dr. Jones stressed that the authorities and road users alike have a role to play in reducing motor vehicle crashes in 2023.
We have to continue to advise people to slow down, not to drink and drive, not to smoke marijuana and drive, to buckle up front and back, to wear your helmets,